Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to extract Reishi mushroom, full guide. Gather dried Reishi, clean workspace, and choose your extraction method first. Prepare ethanol for alcohol extraction or water for decoction, and measure ratios carefully. Label jars, wear gloves, and maintain good ventilation. Track temperatures and times to protect active compounds. I will guide you through step by step so you get a reproducible, effective. Combine dried Reishi and 40 to 60% ethanol in a clean jar, fill to cover, and seal tightly to start an alcohol extraction. Store in a cool, dark place and shake gently every day to promote diffusion. After 4 to 8 weeks, strain through fine cloth, press solids to recover liquid, and bottle the tincture in amber glass for storage. Label with date and strength for future reference and safe dosing. Start a water extraction by simmering sliced Reishi in filtered water for 2 to 4 hours to release polysaccharides. Strain and reserve the decoction, then reuse the spent mushroom in an alcohol tincture if doing a dual extraction. Combine the alcohol and water extracts later to integrate both compound groups, then adjust final proof and volume. Store combined extract in dark bottles and label clearly for potency and date information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.